Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I basically wanted to walk you all through my hair care, hair maintenance. I like to do this ideally every 4 months. This is all of my hair and it really has grown a lot. I've had a couple setbacks, like whether due to not keeping up with my maintenance on time and all that, but overall my hair is doing really well. So I just want to show you my routine and how I keep up with my hair. Healthy hair is the goal, everyone. Not just long hair, but healthy hair is should be like the main priority, because overall healthy hair most likely will lead to longer hair. So just keep that in mind. Good morning, everybody. It is currently 9:05 a.m. Today I am taking out these island twists that I did for my anniversary trip. So I figure I'd do a takedown video and just show you guys how I restore my hair, give it some love, give it a good trim. Before I put this style in, I have literally been wearing buns, probably like 3 months straight, just wearing buns, and it really took a toll on my hair. I decided to wait until I take this down, and I'm going to show you just like a quick run through of how I get my hair back nice, because it went through some stuff. Now I'm about to take down these twists. This should take me, I'm hoping, about an hour only to do this. It's currently 9:16, so let's hopefully be done by 10:16 and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm finally finished taking my hair out. It took a little bit longer than expected. It is 10:59, so basically 11 a.m. I'm so happy to have it all out. Like, when y'all take y'all hair out, don't it just feel so relieving? Like your neck just feels so free, even though that style was really lightweight, so it's not that traumatic of a difference, but you can definitely feel the weight off of your head. I always do my deep conditioning a little bit different each time, just depending on what I have in my cabinet. So today I'm using mayonnaise, I'm using Greek yogurt, some raw honey, olive oil, and some avocado oil, and I'm just gonna mix that up till it's a nice consistency. I don't use any measurements, I just do it by eye. Here is the final consistency, not too runny but not too thick. Before I shampoo and condition my hair, I'm going to actually apply the deep conditioner to my hair first, just because I'm going to be straightening my hair today, so I want to make sure I get all the deep conditioner out afterwards, by shampooing and stuff. So, and then the deep conditioner is going to help loosen up the buildup in my scalp. So that's the reason why I'm going to do the deep conditioning first. It just depends on, sometimes I don't always do it first, but today I'm doing it first. It's so satisfying. Like, I love how this texture looks. So I just have on like this t-shirt. Make sure you wear something you don't care about, just because this stuff can get a little messy. And make sure you have some clips to section off your hair. Alright y'all, I have put all the product in my hair, and when I tell y'all I emptied the bowl, like it looks like a lot, but you really want to drench your hair like as much as possible. So that's exactly what I did. I put this plastic cap on. I'm going to let this sit for at least 30 minutes. I'm about to get some food, so I'm going to eat some food, let this sit. We're going to shampoo the deep conditioning out, and then we're going to condition the hair, and yeah. I am always switching up my shampoo and conditioners, but today I'm using the Maui Moisture Hair Care line. I'm using the shampoo and conditioner, and I just got this set off Amazon. I would rate these like they're okay, like probably a 6 out of 10. They're not great, and they're not the worst as far as moisturizing my hair. So I'm just gonna get through this product so I can try another one. But I also love to use my TikTok brush. It's a staple in my hair routine because it just detangles so easily. I'm gonna first wash out the deep conditioner and then apply the shampoo. Once that all gets washed out, I'm going to go in with my conditioner and then start to tangle with my brush from TikTok shop. Alright y'all, I am fresh out the shower. I just have my hair up in this t-shirt. I need to put something on my lips because... And this right here, this ain't even about the video. This is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. Oh my goodness. It's better than Carmax. It's better than Blistex. All that stuff is trash compared to this. You put this on and it doesn't like make your lips more, you know how like some chapsticks make your lips more chapped? Not this one. This one will have your lips good for like hours. To blow dry my hair, I'm only using 2 products. It's a 10 blow dry Miracle H2O Shield, 100% proof. This line is really good. This brand is kind of expensive, but if you go to TJ Maxx, I got this at TJ Maxx for $17, and that's cheap compared to what you're gonna spend if you go to CVS, beauty supply store, Ulta, all that stuff. Then for my serum, these bottles are looking a little dirty. I'm embarrassed to show y'all, but this is the Lustia Biotin and Collagen Strengthening Oil Treatment, Nourishing and Thickening. So I'm gonna use this as my serum. I'm using my Kiss blow dryer. I'm using my Kiss blow dryer with the comb attachment. The comb attachment just makes blow drying a breeze every single time. I lost a lot of hair in the shower and it made me very concerned. But we're here. We're here and we're gonna move on and it's gonna be fine. But my curls look really good. That deep conditioning treatment like really brought some life back into my hair, but I don't know, I feel like I lost a lot of hair in the shower. So I was gonna show y'all, but it's kind of icky. Like, I don't know, that's icky seeing people's hair like balled up, because I keep like a big ball, like when I'm washing my hair, I just keep it in a ball and put it up like on the soap dish so that way I can get it before I get out the shower. But yeah, so I'm going to apply the 2 products to my hair while my hair is wet, and then I typically just blow dry my hair into 4 sections. This comb attachment makes it so much easier and so much faster, and I can do it in larger sections. That's why I only have to do 4. so this is my hair all blow dried. It seems like I have a lot of hair, but it used to be like so much thicker than this before I had my daughter. But I don't know if anyone has experienced this, but after giving birth, like my texture changed, the thickness of my hair changed, like everything. So now my hair is like completely different from what it used to be before I gave birth. But you know, I'm not complaining by any means. I'm just trying to like keep my hair healthy as possible. But it does get frustrating because I don't know, just the texture is just different. Now I'm just gonna put my setting on cool and do like a cool shot all throughout. This is supposed to like close the hair shaft before you start to flat iron it and put like more heat on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this is the flat iron that I'm using. It's called Micro Pure. It's just a flat iron that I got off Amazon. I really want to get a new one. This one is okay, but I really want a new one, a different one. I do have my flat iron set on the highest setting, but you don't have to have the heat that high if you don't want to. I just take my round brush and use it to chase the hair. The bristles on this really helps it to get like as straight as possible. But for some reason, like I told y'all, my hair texture and everything has just changed completely. So even though I do all these steps, it's still gonna bush up like in a couple hours or like throughout the day, no matter how my techniques or products. It's just what I have to deal with now. But I'm just going to do this all throughout my head so I can do a nice even trim. Okay y'all, I am done with one side of my hair, and my hair is like really getting long. This part in the front is short because I cut it while I was taking out a hairstyle. I had human hair, like it was a boho hairstyle, and I thought my real hair was the human hair that I added in, and it was my real hair. So but now it's kind of giving like layers a little bit, so it's not that bad since it's grown out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then I'm come back and we're gonna trim our ends. All right y'all, I have moved into the bathroom because I'm going to trim my ends, and I just wanted to make sure I had like a good clear light so I can see. But this is how long my hair is right now. It's not even true length because these ends is dead. Like if y'all can see, I need to cut them ends really badly. But it has grown to about like, let's say about right here when you stretch it out. And let's see in the back, it's about right here. But like I said, I don't be counting that stuff because if it's dead, it's not even cute. Like that's not cute at all. So let me go ahead and trim my ends. I'm gonna do it over the sink. And mind you, I am not a professional like whatsoever. I've always trimmed my ends. I've just always trimmed my ends myself because I'm like, it's hair, it's gonna grow back, like who cares? And to trim your ends, just trim whatever looks dead. Like I am not a professional. Only thing you want to make sure you do not use kitchen scissors, do not use craft scissors. You need to use actual like hair cutting scissors, like, and only use these scissors for cutting hair because you want them to be extra sharp. It's probably time that I go ahead and get a new pair, but for right now, this is my old pair I got off Amazon. And yeah, I only use these to cut hair because if you use them to cut anything else, it's gonna like dull them out quicker. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do one side at a time. Let's see. As you can see, it really starts to thin out like right here, so I need to cut most of that off. Let's see about this side. Yeah, both cut to about like right here to get that dead ends off. Let's see. So as you can see, my hair is like puffing up already. So anytime I do like a straight style, anytime that I straighten my hair now, it used to not do this. Like before I had my daughter, I'm telling you, my hair used to act, I actually used to like really love my hair and how it treated me. But now it just has a mind of its own. Like it's like when I straighten it, like don't get me wrong, it's straight right now, but to me it's not like bone straight. So, and that irks my nerves. So what I do is I'm just gonna go ahead and like probably add a few curls into it and pin it up, and then I'll be right back. I literally just take my flat iron and add some curls, just going away from my face. And this helps with the poofiness because it looks like more volume with the curls versus just poofy hair when it's straight. But yeah, this is how I style my hair once I straighten it and give it a good trim. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.